Recently, Prime Minister Modi inaugurated Kochi-Lakshadweep Islands Submarine Optical Fibre Connection KLI-SOFC project in Kavaratti, among various developmental projects worth more than 1,150 crore, covering a wide range of sectors, including technology, energy, water resources, healthcare and education. Kochi-Lakshadweep Islands Submarine Optical Fibre Connection KLI-SOFC project was announced during the Independence Day speech at Red Fort in 2020. The project has now been completed and was inaugurated by the Prime Minister. Earlier, the only means of communication with the Lakshadweep Islands was through satellite medium, which had limited bandwidth capacity and was not able to meet the growing bandwidth demand. The need for digitally connecting the Lakshadweep Islands through a high-capacity submarine cable link with the mainland has been felt for most of the time. Hence, the Department of Telecommunications (DOT) took immediate action and conceptualized the Kochi-Lakshadweep Submarine OFC project. About Kochi-Lakshadweep Islands Submarine Optical Fibre Connection KLI-SOFC project, the undersea cable link will ensure 100 times faster internet for the people of Lakshadweep. In the Kochi-Lakshadweep Islands Submarine Cable KLI project submarine cable connectivity from mainland Kochi to 11 Lakshadweep Islands, namely Kavaratti, Agatti, Amini, Kadmat, Chetlet, Kalpeni, Minikoy, Endrot, Kiltan, Bangaram and Bitra, has been extended. The collective 1,868 kilometers of cables will allow telecom companies and internet service providers to offer 4G, 5G and high-speed home broadband for the first time in the archipelago. The project is funded by Universal Services Obligation Fund, USOF, Department of Telecommunication. The cables have been laid by state-owned telecom BSNL, while the project was executed by Japanese firm NEC. Major activities related to the project include marine route survey, submarine cable laying, civil construction of CLS stations, installation, testing and commissioning of end terminals, SLTE. About optical fiber. Optical fibers are made of thin cylindrical strands of glass. The diameter of a typical fiber is close to the diameter of a human hair. These fibers can carry information such as text, images, voices, videos, telephone calls, and anything that can be encoded as digital information across large distances almost at the speed of light. A submarine optical fiber cable is a cable laid on the seabed between land-based stations to carry signals across stretches of ocean and sea. How do optical fibers work? Light is an electromagnetic wave with a spectrum of frequencies. Visible light, X-rays, radio waves, and thermal radiation, heat, all lie on this spectrum. Humans see the world around us via sunlight, but it took us a long time to control and guide light through fiber optic cables or light pipes to send coded signals. Optical fibers works according to the total internal reflection principle. With proper adjustments, the light can be kept bouncing within the glass with very little escaping outside. This is how signals encoded as electromagnetic waves can be fed into one end of an optical fiber, and they will reflect and bounce many times between the glass walls as they traverse several kilometers bearing the information in the signals. A fiber optic communication system consists of three parts. A transmitter encodes information into optical signals in the form of rapidly blinking light pulses of zeros and ones. An optical fiber carries the signal to its destination. There, a receiver reproduces the information from the encoded signal. Optical waves allow a high data transmission rate, up to several terabits per second in a single fiber. Unlike radio or copper cable-based communication, fiber cables are also insensitive to external disturbances such as lightning and bad weather. Benefit of the KLI-SOFC project. The submarine connectivity project will have a vital role for the delivery of e-governance services at the doorstep of citizens, potential development of fisheries, coconut-based industries, and high-value tourism, educational development, in terms of tele-education and healthcare, terms of telemedicine facilities. It will help in the establishment of numerous businesses, augment e-commerce activities, and provide adequate support to educational institutes for knowledge sharing. Population of Lakshadweep Islands will be provided high-speed wireline broadband connectivity. High-speed broadband will be provided through FTTH and 5G, 4G mobile network. The bandwidth created under this project will be available to all telecom service providers, TSPs, to strengthen their telecom services in the Lakshadweep Islands. During the unprecedented COVID-19 pandemic, the one thing that connected us virtually was the internet. Because of high-speed internet connections, we can now video chat with a friend, pay online, and attend classes or meetings from home. In the age of data and information, the development of optical fiber is very significant for high-speed internet connectivity. The project will also play a significant role in achieving the objective of Digital India and National Broadband Mission, and for rolling out of various e-governance projects of Government of India in Lakshadweep Islands. Therefore, it will be helpful in overall development of the region, like improving in standards of living of the people in Island, and will accelerate overall social and economic development in the region, with providing varied opportunities